What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Before I start, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support, the likes, the nice comments, and all that good stuff. It really means a lot for me. And thank you guys for the new subscribers. We have, I think, 3 new subscribers. Anyway, let's start. Today, we received our payout from Friday, so I'll show you guys that right there. As you guys seen, 241, 247, so it's already in my bank account from there. What else? Today we took 2 trades. First trade I was risking 250. Since I didn't have a setup, I'll explain later. I didn't have a setup, I risked 250 and I lost, so minus 250. Then I took another trade and made my 1 to 2, so bang, but a little bit more. So on the day we're looking at 350 on each account. 350 on each account. It is let me just mute this. It is around 1.7k USD minus the 20% fees. Convert that 2k CAD in payout. So yeah, tomorrow I'll show you guys the payout for today's trade. So it's nice. Slowly we're building consistency. Even if it's 2k, 1k, or 5k, I'm still getting money. I still made my return on investment. I mean, the accounts they costed around 600 in total, and I made, with today's payout, with today's trade, 18k. So, and the challenge, road to 20k in payout. I just need one more good day and the challenge is completed. It's probably gonna be completed tomorrow, well, this week for sure. So yeah, day 11, 12, 13, that's crazy. In under 2 weeks, we completed the challenge, so that's really nice. Yeah, all right, so yeah, let's start. If you guys enjoy at any moment, subscribe. So today we had no news in our time that we trade. We had news at 12, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, now let me show you guys the trade. So I was saying, as of right now, I am risking, so my buffer, my drawdown is 1.5k, right? So as of right now, I'm risking 500 for a 1 to 2. So worst case scenario, I lose 3 trades in a row and my accounts are gone, which I am okay with since I already made my money from all these accounts. If, let's say, this will happen, I am ready to buy a little bit more expensive accounts so I can have a larger buffer and start risking, depending on the account. I'll see, right? I'll be risking way more, and still I'm not over risking since the account is made for the buffer in a way. I don't know if you guys get it. What I mean is, let's say the buffer is 5k. Well, with 5k, I can risk 1k for a 1 to 2 and still have 5 consecutive L's before I blow the account. And I can start making 10k daily, 10k each win, something like that. So yeah, as of right now, I am risking 500. But like I said, today I didn't have a setup. So I just entered, trying to top tick. I entered 250, so half of what I'm allowed to. On the day I can lose 500, I risked half. Then another trade presented itself and I won. Now it wasn't in macro, but I still won. Best case scenario, I just shouldn't have traded, but I did take a trade for today. All right, let's start. I'll just mark the lines quickly since it's faster that way. All right, so we marked our previous day high, session highs and low. Can I say anything on the 1 hour? Looks like we are respecting this 1 hour fair value gap. Perfect. 15 minutes. All right. Let's fast forward to 9:40. Perfect. So what can I see? Market open. We took out Asia low and London high. So what are we in? Well, we are in a continuation. Perfect. So technically I am looking for longs. Now what do I see here? We have this 1 minute fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap. Perfect. Are we in macro time? Not yet, so I'm not allowed to trade. Okay. All right, let's fast forward. Now this fair value gap is invalid since price ran through it. We can remove it. This fair value gap though is still valid, so we can keep it. Now if I was trading on 941, this is perfect. Bang, I enter, it's aligned with my context and probably full TP, right? But I can't, so I didn't. All right, so now we just fast forward till I see a setup. So let's say if this was in macro, this is perfect. I enter here, 1 to 2, and until we take out this buy side, right? Anyway, let's keep going. Now my entry was right there. As soon as this tapped here and closed below, I entered right away. Now if I remember, I was risking 50 for 100, so something like that. But like I said, just a stupid trade. But I should keep myself disciplined, to be honest. So I don't know why I took it, but I will stop doing those things. But anyway, ended up just getting stopped out at some point right there. So from there, I was like, all right, I got stopped out. Let's just see what happens. We still have a little bit more until I'm done with my macro. So I was just waiting. We ended up going all the way down to these equal lows. So this sell side. Then I was watching what's gonna happen. Where is it? Sell side right there. Then we just swept the sell side and start going up. So from there I was like, all right, it's still aligned with my context, so I can look for a long. Right there we got our fair value gap. As simple as that, right guys? So another one. Bang. As soon as this tapped, so 10.19. 4 minutes after macro, so not ideal, but anyway. I entered right there. I think same thing. Yeah, but I was risking 40, so I posted a short, you guys can go check, but I think I was risking 10 points for 20 points, or maybe 12.4, 25, I'm not sure. Anyway, fast forward, 1 minute, 2 minute, 2 minutes later, bang, full TP. Alright, sorry guys. So yeah, that's what I was saying. 2 minutes later, full TP, and that was the trade. Let's keep it simple like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.